Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your games on the Epic Games Launcher app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Epic Games Launcher application on your device. And once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with using your email address and your password or your other social accounts. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to update your games, then click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on Settings. Now from the Settings page, if you scroll all the way down, you will see the Manage Games section. From this option, make sure that Auto Update Recently Used Apps is enabled, and underneath this you will find your specific game settings as well. Click on the drop down button and now you will also see Auto Update the game. Make sure this is also checked, and now you can go back into your main menu and restart the application. And once you restart the application, if an update is available for your selected game, the installation will begin right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to update your games using Epic Games Launcher. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.